Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to set Telegram channel notifications to long vibration so you never miss important updates, even when your phone is on silent. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon in the top corner. Depending on your device, this could be the three-line icon or your profile picture. Tap on it to open the main menu. From there, go ahead and tap on Settings. This is where all your Telegram preferences are stored. Now inside Settings, find and select Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how alerts behave across chats, groups, and channels. Next, tap on Channel. This is specifically where you can customize notification settings for all Telegram channels you're subscribed to. Once you're in the channel settings, scroll a bit and tap on More Options. This will open additional customization settings that aren't visible in the main section. Now, look for the Vibrate option and tap on it. You'll see different vibration patterns available. To make your channel notifications more noticeable, simply choose Long from the list. This setting ensures your phone vibrates longer whenever a channel sends a new update, making it easier to notice even without sound. And that's it. Your Telegram channel notifications are now set to long vibration. This is especially useful if you follow important channels for news, updates, or work-related content and don't want to miss anything. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks on the channel.